Hi guys, and today we're going to be making a video of how to make Scratch project. Alright, let's start. So we have to go straight to Scratch. There it is. You can copy the the address that is in the address bar. Now we're here. I have to log in so that we can save our progress. So let's see which account I'll use. Okay, I'll use mine. I don't. Alright, let me just do this. Okay, sorry, I was doing something else. Alright, let me just do this real quick. Alright, we got the info. Huh? Was it? Oh, alright, so we're logged in. Let's go here. We're going to make a simple Scratch game. Alright, not zonks, it's not like zonks, just like something easy. So let's get this blue guy teared out of your computer and start going. So first thing you would want to do right here is because you can keep this sprite right here. Yeah, it's the one Scratch automatically gives you when you load it. So I'm gonna name this thing Cool Gameplay 2. Alright, this video is not gonna be that long. It's gonna be like something like 10 minutes. So I hope you're fine with that, you guys. I hope you're fine with that. Alright, so we start with the one green flag clicked. Bam. Let's gonna put it right here. Actually this time we're gonna be using controls like this one. It's gonna drag this one out. First, we're starting with the space because it's the most hardest one, but don't worry, it's not hard at all. So don't listen to me when I say it's hard. It's not hard. It's easy. So you come here. Yeah, I'm coming. Sorry, I was kind of distracted, so don't mind that. Don't mind that. All right. So we get the repeat 10 times block right here, no, match it together. Oh, I wanted you to like duplicate it. You just hold it, like, just hold it, I think. Oh, you don't hold it. You just press the left, press the right. You press the right one. So we got these repeat 10s matched together. Now we need to get some Y blocks from the motion. Also to say, you should always start up with this because if you press up, you see nothing happens. So I will use this one to just go up and this one to jump. So just use the space one, I guess. Let me put that guy to space. And I press space, nothing happens. Why? Because there's no code inside those two repeat 10s. This is what I was talking about. It goes up. You see now it goes up. Now we needed to go back down in the same position it was after. So you do minus 10. And now, as you can see, if you put it here, it should be, but it's moving with X. Sorry, that was my problem. I did not know that. Let me just 10. Hey, not minus 19. That's gonna make it go all the way down. All right, we do this. Now we brought it down. Now we put it in 5y5. As you can see, it goes back after. So now you got a new level player. That is good. So now let's continue with the other things. So we're done with space. Let's just duplicate this. Take away one Y. Replace it with the X. Maybe just put X. Change it with the Y. exchange it with X, and then change it to right arrow. You duplicate it, and then you do the left one. So that's how you can create this. You don't even have to remove the X block. You just do -10. And we got all the space bars. Even the space bar works. But how are we gonna get the down arrow? Yeah, we already got this guy. We know. We need a down one. Guys. We need a down one. So if this is too much coding for you, just go to Zong's Scratch and then just look for that tutorial video. If this is too hard, just consider liking and subscribing before going away. So, alright, since we're done with that, we're just going to tell it to this. Like it's like we just give it a down arrow. So we have to just copy the space one. Copy the space one again. Duplicate, and then you come here, and then you remove this, and then you remove this repeatance, the first one. You remove the whole repeatance, then you stay with this one, then you put it to be down arrow. Now you can go down, and then you can go back up. So that's the new problem. We need to copy the space again. And since we got this space, we're gonna be removing this and turning this into an up arrow. And look at that. We are back to 5y5. Now you can go down, up, space, and left and right. So now that we are almost done with the controls, not really, but necessarily, this looks like we're done. So let's make this a real game. So let's do some enemies. Let's create an enemy. Let's go ahead with which should we choose? All right, let's see. We should choose the crab because it's kind of good, don't you know? Okay. Let me just size this to 50. Not 50. Alright, so we've sized it to 55. Now how are we gonna get away from the crab? Yeah, the crab is right there. Let's say it's pointing towards Scratch Cat. So I'm gonna name this guy Scratchy. I forgot about the basics so much. Scratchy. So we just name Scratchy. Then we point towards one person here, Scratchy. Point towards Scratchy forever. Yeah, and then we put a forever. That's the first time putting a forever, bro. That's the first time putting a forever. Alright, so if it's pointing towards Scratchy, it's supposed to move 10 steps while following Scratchy. That's gonna go like this. So we're gonna put an apple so that he can retrieve more health. So if he touches the apple before the crab gets him, he just like starts going faster or something. No, I don't think going. Just giving him more strength. Yeah, just giving him more strength. So we're gonna put here when green flag clicked. Forever. If then. So if touching, where's our touching? Right, touching cat Scratchy. If touching Scratchy, then we're gonna wait 0.1 seconds and then rechange. And then 0.1, seconds, then appear in a random position. Go to any random position. And we're gonna be copying this code. We're gonna be copying this code and then say touching. Hey, yo, stop. If touching crab, then we're gonna make it disappear. We're gonna make it disappear, guys. We're gonna make it disappear. No, I know. I know it's gonna be really. So you just select hide. And then, point was scratchy, and then we have to like go to here. Now this thing is useful now. We put a forever on it. Guys. So when green flag clicked, forever. If touching crab, then we're gonna be using all the other events. So say if touching crab, say, all right, we're gonna say, bro. It's gonna say dead. All right, and then we're gonna do that. So we're going to broadcast dead, and then we're gonna create a new sprite. Oh, I said, all right, I meant paint new sprite. So now we just say here, and then now we turn this guy. All right, guys, should we go ahead with the black? I think I should go ahead with black. I think so. Yeah, black is like normal. You died. Yeah, it's gonna say the fake dead. Ah! Flavor. All right, how do I edit this? The turpentine. What flavored? Bye. I guess we're gonna just put it here and then do another word right here. All right, how do we make a new word? Dead. All right, we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna size it like that, and then we're gonna put it in the same position. Yeah, now it's saying you dead. So when we receive dead, and then we show up, guys. We show up. So we just do this thing. Forgot this thing. And then when green flag clicked, hide. Now guys, it's time for the test of the game. So it's too fast. Oh, what if it says you dead? Then it just stops the whole game so that it doesn't continue doing stuff. And so it's gonna. So when we die, no, that's not fair. All right, we have to put this guy to. So we're gonna have to do a position here. I gotta have to do something real quick. Go to X0, Y0, like that. Now we're gonna go here. And we're gonna make him go so slowly. We're gonna make him go 2. I think that's enough. Alright, let's try again. Now how do we even control this thing? Alright. Nice. I think he keeps coming forward to me. Huh? Oh. Okay. I guess that's how the game is gonna be like. you can just put the guide right there. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna post this in a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing. If this is too much for you, just comment down below. See you in the next video, guys. See you in the next video.